wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Here's our part 2. And because working on the holiday episodes was a bit problematic, let's start right there. Enjoy and have fun. And of course, we wish you all a Happy New Year. Bye!
I think I figured out everything.
Yeah, I know. You're so much better than I am.
Yeah, that's
everything.
why I put this
Craft,
big tree here.
science,
Look,
reading, everything.
there's a tree. You can kind of see me moving in the shadows of the tree, but you can't really tell. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. That's why I put a tree there. It's actually planted.
I heard somebody's phone vibrate.
That would be yours because my phone is perma-silent.
People!
Quiet on the
respect?
set!
Quiet on the set! Turn off your cell phones!
I know it's the last day, but guys, we're still working here. Sheesh. Some directors, creators, producers just think they can leave their phones on. All right.
That was not funny. Ah! I heard a ding again!
That's even funnier. That's even funnier because it's still your phone, but it's your other phone.
No, that's my computer upstairs.
Oh.
You got it, I have to
I
download,
thought
I
it was
have to
your phone
import,
that's
I
in
have
front
to
of your
export,
computer.
I have to edit, I have to film, I have to do the sound, I have to listen to the sound, I have to listen to you.
No, we have to figure out why the Christmas lights just went out too. Did you see that? They were on and now they're off.
Well, that's actually on you.
Yeah, I don't understand. Look, because half the tree is still, or the half the string is still lit.
Yeah, and everything behind us is.
Yeah, well, that's a second string.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah, no, okay, we're gonna have to take a second.
Yeah, cut! Somebody cut!
Seriously, where is the cameraman?
Yeah,
Ugh.
where's everybody here?
Seriously,
What
yeah.
happened to this crew? I mean, we started off with nobody behind the camera, and there's still nobody behind the camera. How is this
right?
working?
It doesn't even make any sense. How do we keep? Whoa! And then there was light.
What about behind us?
Those are on too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because the tree ones went out. And
Well, I guess we do have a crew.
apparently somebody fixed that.
Whoa.
Thanks!
Thanks, whoever's there. Thank you.
Wow, we should be nicer.
I guess so.
I think some of them are on and some of them are off still. Maybe enough of them are on? I don't know.
How does that happen when there's nobody behind the camera and we don't have a crew and yet the lights turn on?
Ghosts.
Ghosts.
Definitely. Oh, I hope
maybe-
it's the ghost of Christmas past.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because that's a fun story.
Yeah, but maybe they're like good people here to actually help us.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
If there's
Hi,
anybody,
ghosts.
yeah, hi guys. If there's anyone to help, can I please get a double coco chino?
Oh, yeah. Can I have a triple coco chino?
Yeah. I think
I don't
that'd
even
be
know
nice.
what that is, but it sounds very delicious.
Well, I figure adults always like cappuccino, but coffee sounds not good. And if you could put as much chocolate into my drink as possible, I'd be totally okay with that.
Yeah, like a coco chino.
Yeah, like a coco chino.
Oh, so it's like cocoa with milk, but it's like a chino. It's like the
And you warm it up.
the elegant version.
Yeah,
the like
you
posh
pinky in
version.
the air.
Pinky
and
in the air.
maybe they bring you a biscuit or a cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a French biscuit.
Ooh. What about a Walker's? A Walker?
Ooh,
May I
yes.
have a Walker,
May I
please?
please have a Walker?
I need it for my tea, for my cococino.
I would like some crumpets. Can I have a crumpet with my cococino?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, and some jam.
Now I'm getting hungry again.
Yeah, me too.
I have a problem with that.
Yeah. Okay, well,
It's just good that we've been filming for 4.5 minutes for
just apparently our own health, because
our own sanity. Although I think we should put this on the behind the scenes channel. It's like,
Oh, yeah.
who are we really?
Yeah.
It's always a question
Noah
I ask
and-
myself.
Yeah.
Who am I really?
Oh, who am I? Oh, it's weird. I know exactly who I am.
Who are you?
Olivia.
Oh yeah, I'm Noah actually.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
So we're doing pretty good.
Okay.
We both know who we are. I know both who I am and who you are.
Yeah,
I am
that's
Olivia.
pretty-
You are
and-
Noah.
yeah.
We actually sang a song about it.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
I am Noah.
I am Olivia.
You say no.
I say on.
I am N.
Oh. That's not I am N.
Yeah, I know. Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm just making up new lyrics.
Oh, okay. I am O. Oh.
I am O. Oh, that's a good one.
That's also in my opinion.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I am O.
It took me a while there. Did you
Yeah, it's
see
harder
that?
to see
I
it
had
when
to
you don't.
think.
Yeah, when you see it written, it's like easy, but
I
when you
am
hear it, it's like, what?
Yeah.
Okay. So should we maybe cut and then sing this song?
Yeah, let's do
Yeah.
that. What are we doing today? We're doing a lot.
We're doing.
And we're already 24 minutes late, and it's like, I think
Yeah.
we're doing like, it says
Yeah.
we're only doing 14, but I feel like at the end it's going to be like 24 videos.
Are we
today.
only 24 minutes late?
Actually, 1 hour and 24 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Jeez.
I think we were.
I think that was your fault. You had to eat cereal for like, it took you like 66 minutes.
I'm gonna be honest. I was 4 minutes late when I finished my cereal, and then we started talking about this Hakuna Matata medley.
Oh, yeah. No. It's a Lion King medley.
You're right. A Hakuna Matata medley would be cool though, because
But
we'd just
you-
be like
you know-
Hakuna Matata, and then we'd do different versions of Hakuna Matata.
But you do agree it was a good idea, right?
Oh, I'm not saying it was a bad idea. I'm saying I refuse to be blamed.
Oh.
Man, where is that Cococino?
Yeah, where's my cappuccino?
It's like maybe they turned
There
on
was
the
like-
lights and left.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe the crew left, turned off the lights, and then when we yelled, they turned on the lights, but they still left.
Or maybe we should call them back. Crew! Anybody? I want my cappuccino!
Yeah. 2 Cococinos, extra cocoa.
Yeah, one's with 2 shots and one with 3 shots.
Yeah. Oh, but if you bring them both with 3, it's okay. We understand it's hard to get those orders right.
No, get
Yeah.
those orders right.
I mean, you know those baristas, you never know what they're going to give you. Half the time when I say my name is Olivia, they call me Livy. Livy?
How
Yeah.
does that happen?
I don't even know, right? Oh, Livia. How do you miss the O?
Yeah, how do you miss the O
Yeah.
on that
If they
one?
called me Olive, maybe.
Yeah, that would be horrible though. Although you look like an olive.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know if that's a compliment. But
I
that's
don't know.
okay.
Well, like Olive
really
in
hungry now.
Popeye, she's pretty.
We haven't even
awesome.
started. And where's Kraft? I mean, there's not even
Yeah,
Kraft
there's
on
no
this
crafty.
set.
Yeah, like
My God.
Seriously.
We've been eating like the same corn
eat
chips
so
for
many
like
corn
the
chips.
last 6 weeks.
yeah. A person can't survive on corn chips and Red Bulls, guys.
Yeah.
It's just not healthy.
That is not healthy.
Yeah, you need Cococino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah, you need biscuits. You need
Biscuits.
crumpets.
Crumpets.
Huh.
Huh.
I mean, can't I just get some sugar? Like, just to put into my Cococino.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what if they bring me dark Cococino?
Yeah. And by the
Oh,
way,
yeah, I want
why
milk,
is there happy
milk.
holidays on there? It's till June.
You
June.
almost thought it
We're
was
not.
July.
Yeah, I know it's July.
It's June, no.
Yeah, but to me it's July. Already.
Yeah.
It's my
yeah.
birthday.
You're living in the future.
Happy birthday to
To you.
me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Oh, you just wanted to be in the month of December because that's when your birthday is.
No.
Yeah.
I'm actually okay not being in the month of December. Yeah.
Okay.
It's very weird having your birthday right after Christmas.
That I can understand
Yeah.
that.
I mean, it's fine, but it's a little stressful.
Can I just say poor planning from our parents?
Right? To be fair, I was completely unplanned.
Oh, well, there you go.
Oh,
That
Yay.
does happen. Accidents.
yeah.
At least I was planned.
Are you sure?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, somebody cut
Cococino!
Cococino.
Okay.
Milk Cococino. Extra sweet.
3 shots.
2 shots.
Thanks. Okay, kids, we're gonna just get our Cocachino. We'll be right back.
I need some Cocachino.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. There's real life.
And then
There's Cocachino. Mm. Good to the very last drop.
Yep.
Yum.
Yum.
We should also do one for there's real life, and for everything else there's Cocachino.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
Let's do that one.
Okay. There's real life.
And for everything else,
There's Cocachino.
Why are you laughing?
Because I always apparently move my cups to the right because of my right hand, so I keep doing things in the direction with my left hand as if I'm using my right. It
I
doesn't
thought
make
you're
any sense.
left-handed though.
I'm ambidextrous.
Oh.
Maybe I'm actually non-bidextrous. I can't use either hand. Okay, let's try it one more time.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start with it a little over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right. There's real life.
And for everything else,
There's Cocachino. Why?
I just,
What if I just go like this? There's real life, and for everything else, there's Cocachino. Should I use my other hand?
no, let's not start that.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's honestly start filming
Okay.
what we. Okay, one more time.
One more time. There's real life.
And for everything else,
There's Cocachino.
why don't I just drink and you just look at it?
Oh, and I'll smell it and go.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay.
We'll both smell it.
Oh yeah, okay. That's
Okay,
good. Mhm,
ready?
Okay. There's real life.
And for everything else,
There's
There's
Cocachino. Yum.
okay, now I want to drink it.
Me too. Now I got it. I was
Okay.
doing fine in the previous version. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Now, oh Christmas tree. Okay, now, oh Christmas tree.
Hold on. I'm finishing. Okay. That's so nice.
This is our moment. So I just wanted to say thank you so very much
Aw.
for everything. For being like the coolest and smartest and funnest and sometimes meanest sister I can have.
Sometimes you
But
have to
that's
be the
pretty good.
meanest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to be like, hey Noah, do what you're supposed to do.
Yeah. So
Thank you too.
I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Aw. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Noah. I had a really, really good time. I like Dream Again.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. It makes me feel like I'm a little kid.
This has probably been for me the most specialist thing
Yeah.
I've ever done.
Aw.
Yeah,
Me too.
that's
Aw.
good. I'm happy to hear that.
Can I have a hug?
Oh yeah, I've been waiting to give you a hug too. Thank you.
Thank you, Noah.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you. Aw. And thanks to all the kids too, right?
Yeah, thanks
Yeah,
to
thank
all you
guys,
kids.
Aw.
You're the best out there.
Yeah, you guys are the best.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you. Except for my brother. Maybe he's the best.
Oh, but maybe you're the best.
Maybe
We're
we're
The best.
the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're all the bestest
We're
of
all
the best.
bestest. Oh, we're like Dream Again Team the Best.
Dream Again Team Bestest.
Bestest. Oh, bestest.
Oh, Dream Again Team Bestest, Greatest, Bestest,
Bestest.
Greatest,
Wonderfulest.
Awesome, cool,
Amazingest.
Amazingest.
And future tallest.
Oh, future tallest?
Yeah, well, because I'm kind of short right now, but I think eventually I'll be tall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna grow. I'll probably be a kid forever and ever. Because being a kid
Aw.
forever in your life, having that inner child, is what it's all
Yeah, I'm
about.
going to be a kid in my heart.
Yep, me too. Forever.
Mm-hmm.
Forever.
Aw.
Just like our heart cup.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, just like that. Mhm.
Yep, forever.
Yeah. And like the rainbow, full of sunshine and colors.
Yep,
Aw.
that's the best thing.
Mm-hmm. It is the best thing.
Yep.
Oh,
So,
thank you.
yeah.
Yeah. But really, thank you for inviting me.
Oh, but really,
Yeah.
thank you for being here.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Like I couldn't have done all of this.
Oh, but I couldn't have done any of this. I wouldn't even have known you were doing Dream Again yet.
It was a secret, and then I had an idea, and then I needed you.
Yeah. That's a really good lesson, huh?
Yep.
Like for the kids, like if you have a really good idea, sometimes you need a little help to make your idea happen.
Yep, that's true.
And like maybe I didn't have an idea, but Noah had a great idea, but then I got to participate in his great ideas, and then we both got to have great ideas, and then we were doing so many great ideas, and then we decided to share them with you guys.
Yep.
Yeah.
For sure. Yes.
Yeah. It was wonderful.
It was wonderful.
Aw.
So, I unfortunately sometimes I'm at a loss of words to ever be able to express my gratitude, but hopefully a thank you will suffice for right now.
Yep. A thank you goes a long way.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
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 Well, you're very welcome.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad I'm welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Thank you. No, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
you. So wait, like we could do it slow-mo. Thank you. Like a dog when the dog's funny, so like their face is all weird, go. I caught up.
Yeah, that.
Whew. Wow, slow motion is kind of slow.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
thank you.
This is the beginning.
Yeah, this is the beginning. You guys were here first.
You were here first.
Well, actually, we were here first. Cause
I was here
Because it's
first.
here. Well, you were here first.
Then you came.
And then I was here second.
And then you came.
And then you guys came.
Yep.
Yay! So thank you guys for being here third. That's pretty good.
Yep. For sure.
Yep. Cool.
I don't want to leave.
Yeah.
Can we do this forever and ever and ever?
Yeah. It says dream again, so you can do it again and 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 again. Yeah, forever. Oh, that could be like a different one. We could do dream
again and again,
or dream forever.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's pretty cool.
Oh,
yeah.
I'll remember that because I can create a song for that.
Oh yeah. You can make a new song we can sing for kids.
Dream forever. Dream forever. And again and again.
And again and again. And when the dreams come, they come forever. We're gonna have to work on that. That's not a good one. That's not a good one.
I think it's time for us
to go.
To bid farewell.
Aww.
To say goodbye.
Adieu.
Adieu.
Adieu. That means goodbye.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Hasta la vista.
Baby. Ciao.
Kids. Ciao.
Bye, guys.
Bye to everyone, and to everyone a wonderful day.
Yay, wonderful day, and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And always remember to dream again.
Yay! Aw, thanks, Noah.
Thanks. Aww.
I can't hug you good. Hugging's not my strong suit.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Bye, kids.
See you later.
See you later. Well, I guess I'm gonna go eat a snack.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like snacks.
I'm kind of hungry too.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. See you in the snack room.
Yep. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, kids. Yay! That's a wrap. I'm out of here.
Champagne for everyone.
Champagne for everyone. Yay! Okay.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.